Hello guys, I've been in the upholstery business for over 30 years now, and one of the biggest challenges that we have is to orientate our scarf on the needle to the rotating hook properly. In a little bit I will show you a simple method how to do that I've learned through the years. Okay, the method I'm going to show you is I will grab the needle by the scarf, either using a tweezers or a needle nose pliers in the scarf area, and then install it on the needle rod and then orientate it with the bobbin depending on the location. These are the areas that I grab the scarf. Either this is the top view cutaway where you can see the needle channel, thread channel, and this is the scarf. Looking from the end, this is the red would be either the needle nose pliers or the tweezers is where I grab the needle by. Okay, once I grab the needle in by the scarf area with the needle nose pliers or the tweezers, I'll put it up inside the needle rod and I will make sure it's up all the way, and I'll make sure that the orientation of the center line of the scarf is 90 degrees from the bobbin. And then I will hold pressure on it and then tighten up the needle. Here I'll show how to do it with a tweezers. As long as your tweezers is narrow enough to stay inside that scarf, you're in good shape. So I can actually put it up in there without even assistance by the needle nose pliers or the tweezers, and then I'll find the narrow area of the scarf, and once it's there I will orientate it and then tighten it up, holding a little side pressure on the needle. This method is pretty foolproof even if the bobbin was in like an odd angle, like a 45-degree angle, and if the scarf was on this side of the needle, I just make sure I'm 90 degrees of that, wherever the bobbin location is. If it's over here, the scarf would be on this side, but I would make sure that my tweezers or needle nose pliers is straight in line. In this particular case, the scarf is on the right-hand side, and the same as the bobbin case. I'm holding it up and I've got it straight just to make sure. There it is, holding side pressure, and I tighten up the needle set screw. Okay, there are some sewing machine needles that has a flat spot on them that you reference by, but this method works very good for all the other machines that do not have a flat spot at the top of the needle. This will work on sewing machines, brand new or vintage sewing machines that has a scarf needle and a spinning rotating hook. My next segment will be to show you how I install two needles on my double needle Foth sewing machine. Okay, to demonstrate this on my twin needle Foth sewing machine, I will install the right one first, either side. Make sure the foot is down all the way if you want. I grab the scarf. The scarf's going to be on the bobbin side here. So I just grip that, and so it don't rotate at all. I'll get it up in there, and once I'm orientated, I got to get underneath the camera here. I got the scarf, so I actually rotating it right now. So now it's exactly 90 degrees of the bobbin. And I'm holding a little tension on there, you can see. And I will tighten that up. Okay. The same goes with the opposite side, but you got to make sure the scarf is facing the bobbin on the left. And without a killer grip on with your tweezers or the pliers, you grip that and you fit it up in there. Make sure you're up all the way, and I'm going to check again the scarf. Okay, there it found its home. Right there is exactly 90 degrees. And I will hold tension up. On this situation, I can install it just with holding the pliers up. And that's as simple as that.